News Channel reporter Patricia Martellotti joins us live in Ojai to share the latest.
Well, what a day to be a reporter. First a storm, then an earthquake. Many here at Ojai were ready for the storm, not so much the earthquake. Take a look at this very dramatic video. This was taken here at the Ojai Beverage Company, and you can see dozens of wine bottles spilling all over the floor. One of the most expensive liquor bottles that broke during the earthquake was a $900 bottle of tequila. Staff workers here say they were startled by the 5.1 magnitude earthquake that struck Ojai.
Kind of sounded like thunder at first, so we're like, oh, okay, because the rain outside, but then everything started shaking, so like bottles were like falling off, and like some frames up there were falling down too, so we just like ran outside where there wasn't anything that could fall on us.
And despite the damage caused by the earthquake, they decided to stay open during their regular business hours. Now crews are spending this day reorganizing all that fell off the shelves during the earthquake. For now, live in Ojai, I'm News Channel reporter Patricia Martellotti. Let's send it back to you in the studio.